Changing your primary email on your New York Life account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the New York Life website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you have your account credentials ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the homepage or under your account menu. Step 3. Locate email preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Follow any instructions in that email to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.